everyone, this is Ghadieh from Star Motors of Ottawa. Today I want to present you 2019 X5 BMW 40i. So this one is inline 6 bi-turbo, 335 horsepower, 3.0 liter. So this one comes with the premium enhanced package as well the driving assistant package, the safety package for BMW. Also comes with the remote start. So you can start your car from the key by pushing the button 3 times. And the car should start. And if you push it back 3 times, you can shut it down also. Also, you can start your car from the app, but you have to register on BMW Connected Drive website. So as you see, it comes with the brown seat interior. It's a beautiful contrast with the black exterior. It's a leather seat. Of course, comes with the heads-up display, panoramic sunroof, GPS, 360-degree camera, and much more. So great info to know, very low mileage, 54,000. Factory warranty will cover up to 80,000 until next year. For test drive or consultation, please click on the link down below. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Ghadieh.